Description provided by the architects. The design idea was to keep the volume but color everything black. The owners showed us the single-family home they had just bought, on the outskirts of Sant Cugat, built in 2010, nondescript and with little aesthetic appeal. The vertical faces were exposed brick in ochre tones and all other elements featured different gray tones and finishes. The ground plan revealed a unique V-shaped geometry wrapped around the garden, although it was not well defined by its enclosures. Despite this, the interior design was correct and fit the client's needs. A 180-degree design along 4 axes. The idea we proposed to the owners, right after the first visit, was the possibility of redesigning the existing volume without having to change it, bearing in mind that the finishes and colors of the original materials chosen were now outdated and obsolete, which were what we would have to adapt and modernize. Our intervention would draw the attention to the features we found quite interesting to conserve, leaving the rest in the background. The core areas on which to structure the reform are monochromatism, accents on the openings, verticality, capillarity. Monochromatism and 2. Accents on the openings. We kept the volume intact in the project, deciding to color all elements black, thus enhancing the relationship with the surrounding vegetation. We also accented the openings with large protruding sheet metal angular frames, which project over vertical lathing with hollow sections, as a double skin on the building. The project seems nearly reduced to a graphic sign, monochrome and essential. Filippo Poli, photographer. Verticality. The sections were laid out in different cadences and lengths, emphasizing and multiplying the facades with many more vertical planes than the original. Capillarity. The separation of the sections from the facade enriches the entire building, making it lighter and more mutable. In the daytime, the casting of shadows varies by the movement of the sun and, at night, when there is no daylight, it is illuminated by the interior lighting.